nice departure coming out of there. Alright. Oh wow, this is a cool view here, folks. Coming out of Jamestown, Williamsburg. Sweet. Alright, let's go ahead and make our turn here, folks, for our first waypoint here. Hertz.
Attention aircraft to Baltimore, ATIS information Yankees current, altimeter 299er information Hotel is current Washington, altimeter 299er information Foxtrot's current at Dulles, wind 150 at 6, altimeter 299er and information Juliet's current at Richmond, wind 130 at 4, altimeter 299er